What is up? My name is Brian Watson and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how simple it is to create a workout schedule. Stay tuned. A lot of people that I talk to, they don't really have a set schedule on when they go work out during the week. They may go work out like Monday or Thursday during one week, and then the next week go like Tuesday or Friday or just Saturday the following week. You know, they don't really have a set schedule down. You know, they're kind of just like all over the place, you know. So actually having a schedule helps you better plan your weeks and stay focused and committed to what your goals are. Whether that's to lose 10 pounds, 20 pounds, you know, burn, you know, 2-3% body fat or 10% body fat. So let's get into what I recommend what you should do. All right, so I already went ahead and put together sample schedule based off my current schedule. So I put at the top my workout schedule, very basic. You know, you can type whatever you want. Like, you can use a Word document or you can use a journal. It really doesn't matter, you know, as long as you document it somewhere. So I put on here the days that I can work out. I know I can work out Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, and maybe Saturday. Saturday depends. It really depends on what my schedule is. If I don't work out Saturday, I'm not super hurt because I know I already put in 4 days during the week. So then I put the time down here. I know Monday through Friday I can hit the gym at 8 p.m. You know, and then again Saturday it varies depending on my schedule. So I might go in the morning, might go in the evening, might go at night. It really all depends on what else I have going on. So that I know I want to be in the gym for no more than 2 hours. That's my max. I don't want to go over it at all. All right, so then we get down to the workout schedule here. When I first get in the gym, before I start anything, I always want to stretch. So I allow myself 15 minutes to get in a real nice stretch. And then from there, I go into doing cardio. Cardio is usually something like the Stairmaster, or on the treadmill or the elliptical, you know, something real light, you know, because I know when I get into my workout, I'm really gonna go like full blast. So I do like 15 minutes of that, you know, so I get my heart rate going, you know, and try not to kill myself. So then I go into my workout, and since I focus on calisthenics, I generally do a full hour of rounds. So like push-ups, pull-ups, squats, and dips. And I do this for like a 4 hour straight, you know. I take breaks. If I get tired, I'll take a break here and there, you know, but usually no more than 15-20 seconds, and then I get right back into it. So I do that for an hour, and then afterwards I know when I get like a little bit more cardio in. So this is where I do my high intensity cardio, you know, maybe like some high knees, jump rope, box jumps, you know, burpees, you know, something to get the heart rate a little bit more elevated and really focus on burning fat. So then once I do that, I'm cool down with another stretching session. 15 minutes there, you know. I make sure I get a real nice stretching so the next day or 2 days later, I'm not super sore from doing all that in one day. So that's pretty much as simple as that, you know. That's how you create your schedule, you know. Just keep it real simple, you know. Don't have to get real complicated, you know. So I hope you found this video very helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe, and comment below. Let me know what your workout schedule is, and I'll catch you on the next video. Hey, I hope you just enjoyed the video that you just watched. Go ahead and check out some of my other amazing videos I think will be very helpful to you in your fitness journey, and go ahead and subscribe to the page.